In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can turn off sensitive content on Instagram. You can simply remove sensitive content from your feeds page in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, scroll down into the section of what to see. Select this option of suggested content. Tap on sensitive content right here. To turn off sensitive content from showing to your news feed, just click on the last option of less. The Instagram algorithm will show less or no posts that might include sensitive content. Go ahead and tap on confirm to set to less sensitive content. That's how easy it is to turn off sensitive content on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.